Hello drone racers, I'm Mark, and today on Drone Racer 101 we're going to take a look at what I hope are my new recommended entry-level goggles, and they're not very entry-level. These are the Shinehalo LS008D goggles, not to be confused with 800D. These are the 8D goggles. We have diversity, we have an SD slot for DVR. These are half the price of these. So do they work? I don't know yet. I haven't tried them, so we're gonna find out. Menu and search, Saracha. I can't tell for sure which way it's supposed to face. That could be interesting. Should go on that way with the Wi-Fi and the name facing out. I'm assuming there's a clover leaf in here. That might be a pagoda. Just for you guys, I ripped that one open too, and there's a 4-leaf clover leaf in there. These do use RPSMA connectors. It also does come with a manual here. It's a 480 by 272 screen. But here we go, the lens is a 2.8 boost of the video to acquire intense feel in their video. How could you possibly go wrong with feel in their video? Man, I'm sold now. This is not big enough for me to fit this on with my glasses, but it is nice and comfortable. I decided to play with them for a few minutes and figure out how they work before I show you, and it's actually really easy. And the screen, for a low resolution, looks pretty good. And it's definitely easier to show you box goggles than Fat Shark goggles. So I'll say with them on, they're comfortable, they're lightweight. My big nose fits in here pretty well. So we're starting with my new indoor favorite, the ET100. So we'll see how it does inside. Interesting. So there seems to possibly be a little latency with the goggles. Now it's while I'm recording. Yeah, there's definitely a little bit going on here. I might have to grab some, yeah, it just feels funny. I think it's latency in the goggles. I'm gonna have to try some other goggles just to make sure there's nothing else going on. And I wonder if that happens. I am recording right now. I'm gonna have to try and see if that happens when I'm not recording. Time to put the rest of the Christmas stuff away. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh no, we're upside down. We can fix that. I love this model. I love it so much. So I'm going to actually land and turn off the recording and see if it makes a difference. You're not going to get to see this. Okay, so now I'm not recording, and we'll see if the latency changes at all. So am I getting used to it? Or is it less? No, it's definitely still there. Definitely still some latency in place here. Okay, so now I've got the EV800s on, the E-Sheens, and oh my gosh, it's like night and day. Okay, so what I was hoping was that I could say, you know what, those are good enough for the difference, for the price, and you know what, get them for half the price to get started. They'd be great. They'd have everything you need. But I can't say that because I felt like everything was on a big delay there, and it's just not here. The quality is better, the video is better, the recording is better, the signal is better. I'm still crashing, but that's because I'm just a maniac. But there's no latency now with the V800Ds. These are worth double the price, which is, I guess not. I'm not going to say it's unfortunate. I love these goggles. I was just hoping there was a half price option, and I'm going to have to say for now, there's not, because these are just better. Where am I? Oh, look, it's my chair. Gosh, I love this quadcopter so much. So much. It's so fun inside, especially now that I can fix it. But this is not a quadcopter review, this is a goggles review. So I'm going to go ahead and bring this in and come back and talk more about the goggles. So the Shinehalo LS008D goggles, Unfortunately, I'm going to have to pass. I was really hoping these were going to be good enough. I didn't expect them to be outstanding, not for $45. So when I was saying half price, these are $45, $48, whatever. But the resolution doesn't bother me. The resolution isn't as good as other goggles, but it was still fine. The video looked okay for the price. It was the latency that just kills it. Too much latency, too hard to see what's going on, just makes these a pass for me. If you only have $45, would I buy these? No, I would save up for the EV800s. Sorry, I wish I could say they were different. I had my cloverleaf antenna set up just to see if it made any difference. This has a linear antenna, and I wanted to make sure I could test the quality as well as I could with a circular antenna, but I didn't even get that far. I just did not work. That's unfortunate. I was really hoping they'd be great. Not good enough. If they can get rid of the latency, then these would really shine, but I don't know that they'll be able to do that in software. So hopefully you found this useful. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for more content, good and bad. We have lots of really good stuff, and sometimes it's not great, but we'll show you that anyway, just so you know. Until next time, remember, at least for me, I did not get an intense feel in their video. Sorry.